Let's take a look at organizations as communicative structures of power. An organization coordinates the behaviors of its members so that they can work collectively. But while coordination is a nice concept in theory, it's surprisingly complicated to achieve in practice. There's an inherent tension between an employee's desire to maximize his or her salary and a company's desire to minimize cost and maintain profitability. The proliferation of companies that outsource many of their manufacturing jobs to other countries that provide cheaper labor is a testament to this fact. Most workers would prefer job stability and be able to rely on a consistent paycheck, but this stability goes against the trend over the last 30 years. Thus, job instability has become the order of the day for millions of workers. Of course, not all of these tensions exist in simple opposition to each other. Our point here is that these tensions have to be resolved in some way, and that generally speaking, they're resolved in ways that are consistent with organizational rather than individual goals. However, organization members do not passively accept these various effects to control their behavior. These forms of resistance run the gamut from striking, sit-ins, and sabotage to more creative acts of resistance. Corporate efforts to engineer organizational culture and instill certain values in employees are sometimes hijacked by employees for their own ends, rejecting the values communicated by management. Thus, it's important to think about power as a dynamic process of struggle that rests on a complex relationship between control and resistance. When we describe organizations as communicative structures of power, we are talking about how the tensions between employee autonomy and organizational control efforts play out dynamically through various communication processes. We need to develop a coherent and clear notion of what organizational communication means.